Dimocarpus longan, also known as longan, is a species of subtropical tree native to South and Southeast Asia, where it is widely cultivated for its edible fruit. The light brown fruit has a sweet flavor and a translucent white flesh. The tree can reach 40 feet in height and usually has pinkish or peach-colored flowers that are 2 km in diameter. Longan trees are very drought-tolerant and can easily survive in the hot and humid climates of Southeast Asia. It is easily propagated using air layering or grafting and can grow in poor soils with low fertility.